Hello friends, let's see. As we already know, we just need to go to Arduino, and here you can see these are the buttons. This is just state change button. This is simple button, and here debounce is also mentioned over here. Now if you select this, you can see the button is nothing but it is connected directly to the ground through 10k ohms resistor. These are open, and what happen over here, if you just push the button, our VCC will pass to the pin number 2. Now if you want to see, you can go and check the code. Now you can see we have button given to the pin number 2, as you can see here, but we have selected LED pin for 13 and we are using that LED pin. So what we will do here is, I'll just go and connect LED. That's it. If I connect the LED, I just need to select component all. If I want to connect the LED, I have to connect this resistor first, and then I have to take LED here. So if I take the LED, this one, and connect it here, and if I change the color to the orange and the value of resistor, if I change to something 220 ohms, then what happen, I'll get the good amount of intensity. Okay, that's it. So what I'll do here is, in the code you can see, I set the button pin as an input and LED as an output. Then I checking here what's the reading. So if the button pin is read, and if the button pin is at a last stage, which I already mentioned, so last button state is 0, I have already mentioned. If it is not at last state, I will last debounce time, I'll check for the millisecond. Why debounce? Because in some cases the key is pressed, but we are getting traces of that pressed key after some time as well, which are basically garbage values. So we need to just cancel it out, and that's why I'm checking debounce over here. And then if that millis, I'll minus debounce from it, I'll get the debounce delay, and I'll wait for the delay. If the time is greater than debounce delay, then definitely I go further and check and change the state of button. So this is how my code will work, and I'll digital write whatever the LED state is. If it is a high or it is a low, I'll whatever the LED state, I'll um, down write on a LED pin digitally over here. Okay, and this is how my code will work. You can see here. Okay, so my LED is currently turned on. If I press the button and turn it on again, then you can see my LED will turn on. If I do it again and again very fast, in that case, it will not work for that time. Why? Because debounce is the key factor which make it accurate. Hope you learn something new from this video. If you want to know more about debounce and what exactly the LEDs and number of things about the Arduino, please do comment in a comment section. If you want this code, yes, I'll definitely add this code in description box. If you want to know more about this, please do comment and like the video, share with your friends, and learn coding easily with the Arduino. Thank you.